After an accident, so I'll break that down in two different types. If you are involved in a motor vehicle crash, make sure you're in a safe location. Do not get out of your vehicle if you don't feel safe, if you're not in a safe location. Stay in your vehicle, call 911, call the police. If for some reason you need to pull immediately away from the location that you are, do it and pull over to the safest location you can get to and call the police. Under any circumstance, regardless of whether you think you're injured, the other person thinks they're injured or not, always call the police. You want to have somebody there who can exchange information in a peaceful, calm manner. You want to have somebody there who can write down what they observed and what they saw. A lot of times, adrenaline is high at the scene, and people say a lot of things that change somewhere down the road. You want to take as many pictures as you can of both vehicles, the positions of the vehicles involved. You want to make sure that you get all the information you can from the other people involved, how many other people are involved. And then you want to immediately go and have yourself checked out. A lot of times you'll feel perfectly fine at the scene and things will start to appear after that adrenaline is kind of calmed down. If you are unfortunately involved in a catastrophic incident, something where you maybe leave the scene in an ambulance and you're not conscious, or you have to be flown somewhere to shock trauma, it's important to have somebody, a family member, a friend that you trust, gather information for you. They should be getting the police information. They should be reaching out, finding out what hospital you're involved in, any kind of personal effects, pictures of any vehicles involved. A lot of times they may be at tow yards because you weren't able to stay there and have your car taken away. You can get access, you can take pictures that way. And it's important in these catastrophic incidents to reach out to an attorney as soon as possible. There are so many implications, so many things that happen in that first 16 to 24 hours that are very, very important, that can unfortunately set you back if you're involved in a catastrophic incident, if you don't have the right kind of representation in place to make sure that you're being protected from things that might be said, to pictures that might be necessary, or something as simple as making sure that bills, treatment, and medication is getting taken care of properly, and that you and your family are set up with the best education possible at the beginning. If you are involved in any kind of injury and slip and fall on a property, at a building or a store or something like that, you want to make sure that you get in touch with a manager. As much as you can have the presence of mind, which can be hard, try to remember who it is that you spoke to, or at least what that person looks like. Every single store, every place has incident report forms, no matter if it's a mom and pop hardware store or if it's a big national supermarket chain. They've got an incident report that they will probably have you fill out, and you are entitled to get a copy of that then and there. You want to also call the police if necessary there, and you want to seek medical attention as soon as possible. If you slipped, fell, or tripped over something, try to take pictures of whatever it is you think you slipped, fell, or tripped over. A lot of times people will slip and fall, have no idea what it is, don't remember, and if we don't know what it is, it really makes it hard for us to prove that you fell on anything at all.